Okay guys, so I know that I said I wasn't sure if I was going to open up the other two tins. Last time I opened up a bunch of these like sun and moon set tins, but I want to open them up. So we're going to open them up just because I know that there's not too many sun and moon like unopened boxes out there that's at a reasonable price, and so I'd rather open these up. So that's what we're going to do today. So I got the handy X-Acto knife. Close that up so I don't hurt myself. There we go. So if you remember from watching the last video where I was opening these up, they have 3 of these tins, or 3 different kinds with the tag team. They've got this card, and this card is my favorite, so luckily I have 3 of these tins. One with Celebi and Venusaur, and then the other one's with Snorlax and Eevee. So put that over there. You get your GX team, tag team, flipper. And let's see if these tins are the same as the others with what they give us. Crimson Invasion, Burning Shadows, Sun and Moon base, and Evolution. So yeah. So we're going to do it in this order with Sun and Moon base set, then Crimson, then Burning Shadows, then the XY Evolutions. Let's hope we get some of the, like we got okay cards last time, but not the best. And let's see no, it's not that bad. The condition 1, 2, 3, 4 compared to the last couple. And let me make sure that's all good and center for you guys. Yep, that's good. Corsola, Kukui. I'll move pretty fast. If you really want to look at it, card, you can pause it on it, but Snubble. Ooh, Toucannon. That's a cool reverse holo. I like they've got like, okay, the same symbol as their energies. Oh, and not a holo. I really didn't open that pack nicely. That one's going in the garbage. I'm not going to hold on to that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaf Energy. Pillow Slime. Peking Red card. Minccino. Magic card. Actually, that's probably one of my favorite Magic card artworks. It's cute. Cubone. Always like Cubone. Mankey. Shellos. Not anything. Okay, let's hope we get something in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Seadra. Rotom Text. Super Scoop Up. Crow Gunk. Wimp. Oh, already pulled this card, but the centering is really off. Oh, we finally got something legit. Necrozma. That's pretty cool. I know this is not going to be worth like tons and tons of money, but let's get this shininess going for you guys. Looks like there's a bit of a print line along the side. I can't tell. There, you guys can kind of see it there. That's cool. Two, three. Full heal. Full Torb. I like this set because it brings you back to the base set. Magnemite, nothing crazy. Nope. Unfortunate. Okay, onto the second tin. Let's hope this does something good for us. The good thing is that the promo cards are actually really cool, and I like them a lot. There we go. Pop that out again. I'll take a look at the centering all that of those later. Got so many of these. They give you good paperweights. And I'd be surprised if these tins came with any different. No, Crimson Invasion, Burning Shadows, Sun and Moon base set, and Evolutions. So, no surprises there. Looking at the edges of these, they look kind of trashed a bit. Okay, Rock and Rolla. That's what it sounds like to me. And nothing. I'm always curious how they come up with the different Pokemon names and what they look like. Like, there's always like the memes and the funny parts of where it's like, okay, here's an apple, let's turn it into a Pokemon. Here's a lamp. I think that's kind of funny. Don't love those Pokemon. They don't. Oh, that counter energy looks really cool, actually. Shelmet, Cacnea, more like Acnea. That's cool, Geodude. I love how the Aeon Geodude is electric type. Go-Goat. It's cool. Okay, there we go. Almost not done. There we go. There's the holo. Burning Shadows time. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, there we go. Energy, Rotom-Dex, Electabuzz, Sandygast, Caterpie, Ladybug, Inkay, Cabrawler, Buffalont, and nothing. Okay, come on. Let's make this worth it for not reselling it. Because I just want to open it. I don't want to have to just resell everything. But let's make it worthwhile. Magmar. Love that Pokemon. Sandshrew, Poliwag, Diglett, Seal, Electabuzz. I like that card. And nothing. So, let me, if I can pick that up. Recap is Electabuzz, Buffalont, Go-Goat, Xerneas, Rock'n'Rolla, Magnemite, Necrozma GX. It's a good looking card. Porygon Z, Shellos, and Toucannon. So there we go, short and sweet. I'm going to continue to make Pokemon videos for you guys, so hopefully you enjoy. Okay,